Excavator. You want your excavator? Okay. Yeah, excavator, Kai Kai. Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel. And for today, so this was still the continuation of our camping last fall in Abraham Lake. So as you can see, Russ is busy there. He's getting ready for our what's this, campfire for later. So since it's fall already, it was already allowed to use real fire, I mean, you know, woods. So later we will use our firewood. It's really nice view right now with the trees that the leaves are turning yellow already. Yeah, so this is the Abraham Lake. I think last year we were here camping, but not this area, not this side. I think it was way over there, but I don't know which area, which side. But yeah, now this is the Abraham Lake. We're facing the Abraham Lake. Kai is busy. Hi. Hi. 6:25 now, so I have to cook our dinner. Rest is just outside, and Kai, they're setting up later for our they call it firewood. So just preparing our firewood for later. And now I have to cook. And I think soup would be nice for dinner. It's cold. As you can see, I'm wearing a jacket. It's cold now because it's not anymore summer, and it's really cold this side, I think, because it's facing the lake. We're gonna put some carrots to our soup. Leftover chicken. I'm just gonna make this one into soup. So we'll put some vegetables on it. Take the bones out from that. I'll make it into strip. Very tiny strip. And yeah. Have this rice here, and then the chicken there. The small pan.
cook it. We have to cook it? No, it's actually a... Yeah, it's couple of clams just first come first.
Yeah, but there is a what do you call it? A permit you need.
Oh, a permit.
Yeah.
You need a permit.
It's I think $30 for the year.
For the whole year?
Yeah, so you can come here whenever you can. Yeah. Yeah.
So you just go, which website you go to, like,
I think if you search public land camping fees. Yeah, public land.
Okay.
This is public land. It's not really a campground.
Got it.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Yeah, no problem.
Come here. Eat now. You want to go sit down close to Papa? Too close.
Dark. Should we get the kanang blanket? Yeah, blanket too. Sit down here.
It's cold, Kai. You're gonna get sick.
Go to mama. Okay, go to mama.
Okay, Peekaboo. Sit down, Peekaboo. Peekaboo, where is Kai? Peekaboo! Where is Kai? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Dakugo. Liwat na ko, dakugo. Pika! Pika! Ah, there's Kai! Pika! Pika! Boo! Tugnaw kayo, no? Pika! Pika! Peekaboo! Boo! Tapig-tapig pas manoy. Ano, alas na di matug na Kai. Ano? Where is Kai? Peekaboo! Back in the trailer. Come here. Remove na. Mag-get ready na sa bedtime. Okay, let's go brush our teeth and wash our hands in the bathroom. Dali.
No.
Yes, ikugmura ka da. No. For bedtime. Kay no, Kai. Ready na pa sa inyong kuan, Kai? Bedtime, Kai? Wait, please. Here. Nakailis na, Sky.
Bubble.
Toothbrush na. Makatoothbrush na.
Bubble.
Bubble? Where's bubble?
No.
What is that?
Oh.
Be, unsa man na?
Oh.
Ha? Unsa man na? What is that? Cutter?
Yeah.
Nya ka ni, unsa man ni? Unsa ni?
Yeah, it's sun.
Ah, sun. Okay.
Where's this?
Caterpillar na siya. Nya ka ni sun. Adlaw.
Hurry.
Hungry. Gigutom.
Oh.
Hungry. Caterpillar is hungry. Ah, okay.
Oh.
Unsa man na?
Apple.
Apple. Asa man ang orange? Asa ang orange? Tudlo ang orange, be? Kana ang orange. O nya, kay ba kani unsa ni siya? Strawberry. Ah, plums. Can you say plum? Color blue. Oh, plums.
Green.
Green ang pears or pear. Oh, next page na. Oh, no. Uy, kadaghan. Uy, kadaghan, be.
Goddess, what you?
Oh.
Yeah, we cheese. Oh,
Asa man ang kuan?
please.
Cheese man na. Asa man ang kuan kanang ice cream. Tudloa ang ice cream ko no. Hai ang ice cream. Ice cream. Asa ang ice cream? Ice cream. Oh, ice cream di na. Di man na ice cream. Tanawa dito Pika's page. Tanawa there. Ah, tanawa there na noon. May wine. Watermelon. Tarag ice cream. Narang ice cream.
Oh,
Pickle.
cheese.
Cheese, yeah. Asa man ang ice cream? Ah, nara ang ice cream. Asa man ang cherry pie? Ang cherry pie, mo na ang cherry pie. Asa man ang sausage? Sausage. Asa ang sausage? Diara. Mo ni ang cupcake. Cupcake. Unya ka ni mo lollipop. Lollipop. Lolly? Pop. Can you say lolly? Lolly? No, again. Lolly. Pop. Ah, nara. Lollipop. Asa man ang kanang kuan, kanang watermelon. Watermelon. Ay mo na ang watermelon. Na big leaf. Dahon. No, there's no frog. Wa man ang frog diha. Leaf ra man na siya, big leaf.
Too big. Too big.
So big no. Nara ang cocoon. Cocoon. His house is named Cocoon. Yeah, his house name is Cocoon. Yeah. Cocoon. Oh, big no? Tambok siya, tambok. Oh, caterpillar is so big. Fat siya, tambok.
The cat. Cat's sad.
Sad, he's sad. Uy, kuyawan, anong sad man?
Sad.
No, sad. Okay.
Yes, he's sad.
No, sad di ay ang caterpillar. Anong sad man?
Oh,
Ala, unsa man na? Unsa ni?
the butterfly.
Ah, butterfly.
Just really big.
Oh, big no? Beautiful kaayo ang iyahang wings.
Oh, the bubble.
Ha? Unsa ni?
The bubble.
Bubbles? You think this is bubbles? Di ni egg. I think egg ni siya.
Oh, no.
No? Okay, bye-bye.
Oh,
Unsa man na?
where's
Unsa man na?
that?
Ah, duck. Oh, sige, duck. Ah, the bird might eat me. Ana siya. Nahadok siya. Naglook scared. Show me your scared face, be. Show me your scared face. Ay, mo na. Awa, show me your scared face. Ay, mo na scared. How about the surprise? Ay, nga na, de. Ay, how about the kanang happy? Happy. Show me your happy face, be. Ay, nga na, de.
Happy.
Oh, what about kanang kuan? Kanang mad? Ay, mauday na mad, be. Kanang kuan, be. Kanang surprise. Ah, garabi. Abe, sad. Show me your sad face. Ano din ang sad? Unya, ako, asa naman tong happy. Happy. Kuyawan. Na, show me your mad. Ay, ano din ang mad. Ka-joker, ay. Ay, gina. Sige na, ay, kay magkuan pa ko, mag-toothbrush pa ta, mag-hipos pa ko. Diyan na ka, ha? We're gonna go sleep now. It's 9:40 in the evening.
Good night.
Good night and see you tomorrow. First night here in Abraham Lake. Good night.